Okay, today we're going to be doing a game of Candy Crush. The same Candy Crush, but I'm going to do it on level 1, from the beginning. Sorry if you can hear my mum, it's just my mum. And please hit that subscribe button and that like button. So, hope you enjoy the video and comment down below if you think I'll do level 1 and 2. I've played this game 2 times, 3 times. And I don't know if I'm good at it or not. Comment down below if you think I'm good or not. These. Ooh, not my. Ooh, I just did it. That was a good one, that. Yeah, that, I did it again. I'm quite good at this. I've got 2 gummy bears so far. I'm pretty good at this game today. I just got 3. Completed the level now. Level 1 I've completed now. Now I'm doing level 2. So, please say you hope I win. So I'm sometimes good at this and sometimes not good at level 2. If it was recommending me, I'll probably be not very good at level 2. Sorry about that. My mum is so annoying. She ruins all my videos. I don't know why, it's just so annoying. Points I got there. Wow, that's the highest I've ever done there, I think. Wow, I just got like lots of points there. Level 2. And I think that's where I'll be ending my video today. So bye bye, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you subscribe.